Ever wondered how to give your customer community users just the right access? Nothing more, nothing less. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a sharing set in Salesforce Experience Cloud so you can streamline permissions with confidence and avoid common configuration headaches. If you're an admin or managing a community, you're going to find this incredibly useful. Before diving in, make sure you're already logged into Salesforce with administrative permissions, otherwise, some options we cover simply won't appear. Let's jump in. Start from your main Salesforce page and look to the top right corner. Click the gear icon, that's your entry point to advanced configuration. From that menu, select Advanced Setup. Once you're inside Advanced Setup, head to the Quick Find box. Type Digital Experiences and click on Settings from the results. That brings you to the core area where you manage the digital experience for your customer community. Now scroll or navigate to the Sharing Set section and click New. This is where we create the actual framework that controls what your community users can access. You'll begin by labeling your sharing set. Make the name clear and descriptive, something like Customer Case Access or Partner Support Visibility. A meaningful name helps you identify or troubleshoot it later. Next, move to the Select Profile section. Here, choose the community user profile this sharing set should apply to. Scroll through the list, find the right profile, like customer community user or whatever your org uses, and click Add. This step effectively ties the rule to a specific group. Now it's time to pick which Salesforce objects the sharing set will cover. For this example, we'll use cases. Find cases in the object list and click D. That ensures the sharing set targets the correct data your users will interact with. With the object selected, go to the Configure Access area. Select User and Target Case as the relevant fields. These define how Salesforce determines ownership and access. You're basically telling the system, match the logged-in user's related records to the appropriate cases. Then choose the access level, read-only or read/write, depending on how much control your users need. Read-only keeps things secure for support visibility, while read/write lets users update or manage records directly. Once everything is set, click Save and give it one more look to confirm it all lines up with your intention. And just like that, you've created a sharing set designed specifically for your customer community users. Setting up sharing sets the right way not only secures your data, but also makes the user experience smoother and more personalized. It gives your customers access to the records that matter to them without opening doors you didn't intend to. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more Salesforce Experience Cloud guides just like this. Feel free to drop your questions or video requests in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.